Hello friends, welcome back to our Maths Foundational series. I'm Venkatesh. In this class, we are going to learn types of numbers. Let's start this class with irrational number.
Fifth one, irrational number. What is irrational number? Irrational number cannot be expressed like rational numbers, that is P by Q form. So we cannot express in P by Q form. So I will write the definition. Set of real numbers that cannot be expressed in the form of fraction. So we can't express irrational numbers as fractions, that is P by Q form. The decimal forms which neither terminating nor repeating comes under irrational numbers. So I'll explain clearly. Decimal forms, decimal forms like point forms like 1.2, 1.3 or 5.7 something. Decimal form of the number is neither terminating, means it won't stops, is neither terminating. Meaning of terminating, it stops after decimal, the number will stops after some points, like for example 1.34, after 4 it number will stops. If it is non-terminating, the number will keeps on going like 1.45789 like that. And also nor repeating, so the number shall not be repeats. I'll explain in rational number example. What is that? 2.141414. So that in that example 1414 is repeating, so that is we can call as repeating. So in irrational numbers, number shall not be repeating after decimal. So I will write example. Example pi. It is a familiar. So what is the value of pi? 3.14159265, and it keeps on going. It is never ending. So this is the example of irrational. I will write two more examples also. Root 2. What is the value of root 2? 1.414213, and it is also keeps on going, so it is also non-terminating. And e value 2.718281, it is also non-terminating. So the numbers which neither terminating nor repeating comes under irrational numbers. And I will write one more important point about irrational numbers. What is that? The numbers which are not perfect squares and not perfect cubes are comes under irrational numbers. I will write that statement. Numbers which are not perfect squares I'll explain with example. See above root 2. What is the value of root 2? 1.414213. So if you do square root of any number, the number shall not comes in decimal form. If it comes in decimal form, then it's under non-perfect square. If it comes without decimal, so we can call it as perfect square. And same like perfect cube also. So irrational number is not a perfect cube. Or irrational numbers. So examples I have already written. One more time I will write root 2, root 3 and etc. After square root of this, the number will comes in decimal form only. And how we will represent the irrational numbers? Represented by u bar.
We have learned what irrational number is. That's it for this class. We will learn remaining numbers in the next class. If you have any doubt about this class or any doubt regarding maths, let me know in the comment section so that I will make a dedicated video regarding that doubt. If you feel this class is helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe my channel to learn maths concepts effectively. Thank you.